B2B content versus B2C content. If you're creating content for your business in 2025, understanding the fundamental differences between B2B content and B2C content is crucial. Most business owners approach content creation with a one-size-fits-all mindset, but the strategies that work for consumer brands often fail completely for B2B services. So in this video, I'll break down exactly how these approaches differ and why it matters for your bottom line. The confusion between these two types of content creates a serious problem. I've spoken to countless business owners who waste thousands on the wrong content strategy, chasing viral trends and massive follower counts when what they actually need is a high targeted approach that speaks directly to decision makers. This misalignment is why so many business owners see high engagement metrics, but zero conversions. By the end of this video, you'll understand the key differences in audience targeting, content structure, and measurement between B2B and B2C content. I'll share specific examples from my work with service-based businesses, showing you how to create content that actually converts into sales, rather than just views. Whether you're running ads or posting organically, knowing which approach to take will be the difference between wasting your marketing budget and creating a predictable lead generation system for your business. The main difference between B2B and B2C content is what they're meant to do. B2B content is made to sell your service directly, while B2C content is mostly created to get high numbers, views, likes, followers. This happens because influencers and consumer brands need to attract as many people as possible. They want content that appeals to masses so they can get sponsors and brand deals. And the companies look for creators with big following to promote their products. If you don't have a big following, then what's the point? But if you're a B2B business, you're not promoting someone else's product, you're promoting your own. You already know who your target customers are, where they're located, and what they need. You don't need to reach everyone to be successful. Let's say you're a roofing company that serves in one specific area. Your content should focus only on that area and always mentioning that specific city in your videos. Let's say you're a gym owner. You only need to create content for your location. There's no point trying to reach people in Arizona if you're based in Texas with no plans to service up there. And we can get even more specific. If you're a web developer for tech companies, your content should be about web development for tech companies, explaining why they need your services and sharing tips that would help them specifically. This focused approach will make sure you're talking directly to your potential clients. Quality and quantity. Here's what you'll notice when you make specific targeted content. Views and engagement will be usually lower. That's just the reality. But the quality of the engagement will be much higher. Think of it as a small bag of gold versus a large bag of sand. One just has inherently more value, even though it's smaller. And I've seen many creators with like millions of followers who can't even sell 20 shirts. Many of them build big followings first and then try to figure out what to sell, which honestly rarely works because their audience wasn't built around a specific service or product. Let's look at the numbers. Say your service costs $3,000 and through targeted social media content, you attract maybe 6 new clients each month. That's $18,000 for monthly revenue from your content strategy. Do you know how long it would take an influencer to reach that level of income? Most never do. Now, there are exceptions to pretty much like every rule. Some businesses need to create both B2B and B2C content. If you're an online fitness coach, you'll need to target specific clients while also creating broader content to attract people interested in fitness generally. The key is understanding your business model and creating content that speaks directly to people who will actually pay for your services. Don't waste time trying to go viral if you offer a specialized service to a specific audience. B2B content focuses on quality leads over quantity of views. It's about speaking directly to the decision makers who need specific expertise, not entertaining the masses. Use this approach consistently and you'll build a content system that generates actual revenue instead of just likes and views. Anyways, if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more practical business content strategies. And if you need help implementing this for your business, just check out the link in the description to learn more about our services. Because the goal of these videos is two things: either help you make more cash or help you save more cash.